Hello everyone, my name is Pranjal Mishra.
My name is Tejasvi.
Hello, my name is Parsh.
My name is Saurabh Kumar Singh.
I am Rahul.
I am a mentee.
I joined Propel Guru in the month of Feb.
I am a mentee of first batch of business development program offered by Propel Guru.
As soon as I saw an advertisement, I quickly registered myself and luckily I got selected from a pool of talented candidates.
I feel very grateful to have enrolled in this program.
Propel Guru mentorship program in the business development field.
And this was the first batch of business development program.
In the 2 weeks program, I have learned quite a lot from the best of the best.
Propel Guru is one of the best company to start your career.
I'm really glad that I enrolled in this program.
I've got many opportunities here, dealing with clients, dealing with prospect clients, generating leads.
I got to know a lot about sales and sales channels and LinkedIn and how the whole thing works.
I got completed my mentorship program.
This has groomed my skills and my mindset so that I can become a good business development executive in the near future. Thank you so much.